Hello, I'm Marquez. I write for Italian team that is facility, and I will prepare my perfect pizza that all the Italians will hate it, but I love it. Now I will start to open the flour and put here a little bit. I'm not an expert making Italy, but little like this. Now we have the pizza dough ready with the flour and all that. Make like this a little bit. Make the hints with love and passion. I like to eat pizza, not to do it. Now we'll put the base, the tomato, pomodoro in Italian. We passed the most difficult thing that was the base. Now it's really easy. There's everything like enjoying and all that. I will put some mozzarella. Jamón is good, but the jamón is good to eat like this, not to eat in the freezer. So I will start putting some onion, little bit. Now I will put some dried tomato, also on the top, but not a lot. Pineapple. The team is a family, but I have something that they don't like it. That is the ingredient in the pizza. I made like a dip in the cooker that is Maura. That if I want to spin race for days, she will cook me a pizza, Hawaiian pizza. So in Silverstone, all the team try it.
And they like it?
No. So they don't like it, but at least they try it. And now I'm missing some black olive, but I will cut. Looks good. I don't know how it will taste. I mean, the shape of the pizza is not the correct one. But it's not bad. It's handmade. So this is the good one. Normally I use some chili, but when it's already cooked. But I will put it already now. Just a little bit. I like a spicy thing, yes. When it's really spicy, if you drink milk, it's gone. So it's a nice advisor from my class.
What would you say that is the essential ingredient in your life?
The essential one is working. I mean, I love to work, I love what I've been doing, I love to ride bikes, so, you know. I know that being a rider, you say to know too many things, but when you love this sport, it's something that everything returns per that, no?
Which ingredient do you need to cook the first victory in MotoGP?
We need little bit of luck, I will say. We need to be more constant, and when we will able to do some podiums in a row, for sure the first race, the first win will come. Now we need to wait like 5 minutes. The oven was already heated for 20, so we need to wait that time to have the best cooking moment of it. We'll fry it a little bit. So good. I'm already really like 0 to 10, I'm a 2. So not much.
And MotoGP rider from 0 to 2.
I will put a 8.